Every year we come to Automechanika, we find that it's really positive for our businesses. I have met today people from USA, Turkmenistan, from Iran, from Turkey. So they are different customer base, and that's exactly why we are here.
I'm Gareth Bennett-Jones, Managing Director for VTX. For the first time ever showcasing our signature vehicle, and here that we're able to show all the different accessories and modifications that we can do on our vehicles in our 107,000 square foot factory based in Dubai Industrial City.
My name is Sakhr Shawa. I am the Group CEO of RHINOMOTIVE. RHINOMOTIVE is the only one-stop solution for all automotive aftermarket products. How Amazon has changed the world, we are looking that RHINOMOTIVE will change the world for all the automotive businesses. So anything and everything you think of, you will find it in RHINOMOTIVE. Thank you very much.